What's up mga kachupos? Hello mga kachupos!
Prices of the BPI booth.
Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Noel Bazaar at kasama po natin si Sir
Chris Carillo, I'm the marketing manager of FitRight Incorporated.
and si Ma'am.
Yes, Miss.
Marlene po. Marlene Martinez, Digital Marketing Assistant.
And Ma'am, regarding pala sa event na to Ma'am, is ano pala yung mga product na binibenta nyo po?
We have sweet preserves, bagoong, and we can show it. Juices.
Marami kami mga products. In fact, we have the Cool Taste brand under our beverages. We have our Cool Taste fruit juices, Cool Taste jelly drinks, Cool Taste juice with nata de coco bits, and our new brand for our beverage product, Cool Juice, yung flavored juice drink namin. It comes in 4 variants. In fact, marami kami mga variants for every category ng juices namin. On top of that, we also have other products like we have Bagoong. Our brand is Dagupan and Feel Supreme as well. We also have the sweet preserves, yung Nata, Kaong, Makapuno, under Feel Supreme brands as well. We also have the noodles, yung Pancit Canton namin. It comes in 2 sizes, 2 to 7 grams and 4 grams. We're here in Noel Bazaar to give our consumer the best price and quality products kasi exporter po kami, so export quality yung mga products namin, and quality wise talagang hindi ko kayo makakompromise, and syempre we have the reasonable price for our consumer.
And Sir, regarding pala sa mga item nyo, is ano pala yung pinaka best seller na binibenta nyo po ngayon?
Well, the best sellers that we have is our juices, plus of course dahil season ngayon ng, it's Yuletide season. So, mabili ngayon yung mga sweet preserves natin like the Makapuno, Kaong, Nata de Coco, Ube. Yan yung mga mabili din natin. Isa sa mga mabili natin. Plus, of course, yung Pancit Canton kasi alternative siya ng spaghetti.
And Ma'am, regarding po pala sa Ma'am, sa inyong mga product Ma'am, just in case na hindi sila makapunta sa event, may physical store po ba or online shop Ma'am?
We have Shopee, Lazada. Pwede po silang mag-message doon, or they can reach me. They can reach us out at Facebook page, and we also have Instagram account.
And Ma'am, ano pala yung isa-search po nila Ma'am?
FitRight Inc. po. Visit our Shopee and Lazada. FitRight Inc. po yung name ng shop namin.
And alam pala yung mga upcoming events na just in case na hindi po sila makapunta dito sa Noel Bazaar po?
World Bazaar po. This coming December 12 to 21.
Yes, sa World Trade Center din. Aside from the digital store that we have, yung mga online selling platforms namin like Lazada and Shopee, we're also available yung products namin at SM Hypermarket, UD Mart, Makati Supermarket, High Top, and Landmark also. Available din po kami sa mga yan. So, we will be also opening new stores as well.
Once again, thank you Ma'am and Sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Noel Bazaar at kasama natin si Ma'am Erica.
Hello!
Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Noel Bazaar at kasama uli natin si Ma'am Noreen.
So,
Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Noel Bazaar at syempre kasama uli natin si Ma'am Noreen. Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Noel Bazaar at syempre kasama natin si Ma'am Wences sa aming bahay.
wow! Balik!